Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial confidence at 9 GMT. Italy's industrial sales will be released at 9 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 23:50 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
ByteDance, the owner of short video app TikTok, is set to launch a new employee share buyback that will value the Chinese technology giant at more than $330 billion, driven by continued revenue growth that surpassed giants like Meta. Oil prices rose on a larger than expected drop in US crude inventories and the potential impact of new US tariffs on India. US crude inventories dropped by 2.4 million barrels to 418.3 million barrels last week. Kronos, the native cryptocurrency of the Crypto.com-backed Kronos chain, surged to multi-year highs following news of the Trump Media Group CRO strategy launch. On Tuesday, Trump Media and Technology Group announced launching a joint $6.4 billion Kronos treasury with Crypto.com and Yorkville Acquisition.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.